Open House is an annual event where parents familiarize themselves with their child's teachers. It allows them to establish common ground on class expectations and what is to come in the upcoming school year.
I think it's really important for parents to attend Open House because it gives them a chance to meet the teacher and see what the teacher is like, as well as see what happens in the classroom. Because sometimes what the students might say to their parents about what's happening in the classroom doesn't really match up to what's actually happening in the classroom.
I think attending Open House is a great thing because not only do we get to meet the teachers, but we became a bond and create teamwork that we all three, the student, the parents, and the teachers, can create a plan and help the child do good in school.
It's important to be involved in your children's academics and meet their teachers, find out their expectations and so forth.
This is their kids' education. So if they want to know what's going on in the classroom, if they want to establish a relationship with teachers, it's important that they come and they see how the classroom looks, see how like the different dynamic. They get an idea of what their students go through every single day.
I get to see exactly how my child acts from the teacher's perspective instead of my point of view or her friend's point of view.
If parents are involved and they know what's going on and they can help you guys at home, then that pretty much kind of fits the whole school culture thing together.
I think Open House is very important because I think it's an opportunity for the school to open up our doors to the community, to the parents. And for me, that's extremely important because one of the things that we're trying to do here is involve the parents more into the school. Because I think that as a parent myself, I think that that's essential to the success of the student.
It was another successful open house that set in motion a great rest of the school year. Reporting for Riptide, I'm Taylor Doble.